Shall we open this present?
Yes!
It's more surprise eggs!
Wow!
1, 2, 3. Do you want to open them?
Yeah! Let's open them all! Pick me! Pick me! Pick me!
Let's start with the yellow one first. Shall we open the egg?
Yeah!
Open. 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 Surprise! It's Drake! Let's see what sound it makes. Ducklings go quack, quack.
Duck in the water, 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 water. Has no shoes, no shoes, no shoes. Duck in the water, 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 water. Needs a bath. Now it's time to play before we put the toys away. Duck in the water, 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 water. Now it's time to swim.
Let's continue.
Pick me! Pick me! Pick me!
Next is the pink egg. Shall we open it?
Yeah!
Open. 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 Surprise! It's the calf. Let's see what sound the calf makes. The calf goes moo.
The story I'm about to tell happened a while ago.
Next egg.
Pick me! Pick me! Pick me!
Lastly, it's the green egg. Shall we open it?
Yeah!
Open. 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 Surprise! It's the green horse. Let's see what sound the horse makes. The horse goes nee.
At the farm, there is a ranch, full of animals so very special.
It was great to play with you. Shall we open the present?
Yes!
More surprise eggs!
Wow!
1, 2, 3. Do you want to open them?
Yeah! Let's open them all! Pick me! Pick me! Pick me!
Let's start with the first one. It's the blue egg. Shall we open it? Open. 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 Surprise! It's Pepe the parrot. Let's see what sound the parrot makes. The parrot goes brr, brr.
Hello, Pepe.
Hello, Pepe!
How are you?
How are you?
Have a treat.
Have a treat!
I'll give it to you.
I'll give it to you!
Hello, Pepe.
Hello, Pepe!
Let's continue.
Pick me! Pick me! Pick me!
Next is the orange egg. Shall we open it?
Yeah!
Open. 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 Surprise! It's the peacock. Let's see what sound the peacock makes. The peacock goes
The turkeys gobble, chickens cluck, rooster crows while the sun comes up.
next egg.
Pick me! Pick me! Pick me!
Finally, the black egg. Shall we open it?
Yeah!
Open. Surprise! It's the mouse! Let's see what sound the mouse makes. The mouse goes...
At the farm, there is a ranch full of animals so very special.
How fun! Subscribe for more surprise eggs! Would you like to open it?
Yes!
More surprise eggs!
Wow!
1, 2, 3. Would you like to open them?
Yes! Let's open all of them! Pick me! Pick me! Pick me!
First, the pink egg. Shall we open it?
Yes!
Open. 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 Surprise! It's the draft horse! Let's see what sound the horse makes. The horse goes... "Mee!"
He takes us all to school, and then Grandma and her tools to the market to sell milk, cheese, and fresh butter. Just check out his belly, it looks just like piggy jelly. Of all the animals, he's the best one.
Let's continue.
Pick me! Pick me! Pick me!
And now it's the white egg. Shall we open it?
Yes!
Open. 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 Surprise! It's Mrs. Pancha the pig. Let's see what sound Mrs. Pancha makes. The pig goes oink, oink.
Miss Piggy went out for a walk all over the farm, and she started to sing.
Oink, 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 oink.
Next egg.
Pick me, please! Pick me! Pick me!
And finally, the brown egg. Shall we open it?
Yes!
Open. 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 Surprise! It's the sheep. Let's see what sound the sheep makes. The sheep goes meh.
My car has a horn. I think it's very funny.
Time to go home. Subscribe to continue playing. Shall we open this present?
Yes!
More surprise eggs.
Wow!
1, 2, 3. Do you want to open them?
Yes! Let's open all of them! Pick me! Pick me! Pick me!
First, the purple egg. Shall we open it?
Yeah!
Open. 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 Surprise! It's Miranda the owl. Let's see what sound the owl makes. The owl goes woo, woo.
The story I'm about to tell happened a while ago when we went to have some fun out on Zenon's farm. Everything was going well.
Let's continue.
Pick me! Pick me! Pick me!
The next egg is the red one. Shall we open it?
Yeah!
Open. 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 Surprise! It's the bird. Let's see what sound the bird makes. The little bird goes peep, peep.
This is the farm with little birds
It's the pink egg. Shall we open it?
Yeah!
Open. 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 Surprise! It's the wolf! Let's see what sound the wolf makes. The wolf goes, "Ow!"
At the farm, there is a ranch, full of animals so very special.
Subscribe for more surprise eggs!